Hello students, in the previous video we have watched how we can name some organic compounds and I have dealt with alkanes there. Now just a quick recall, rule number 1 we have seen select the longest continuous carbon chain, and rule number 2 we have seen number the carbon atoms starting from that end which gives the least sum of locants. We have understood it in the last one. And rule number 3, when a multiple bond is present, if there is a multiple bond, a double or a triple bond, the carbon atom having the multiple bond should be included in the selected chain and the least possible number should be given to it. Okay. Now here is the question. Make all possible structures of the molecular formula C6H14 and give them IUPAC names. So we are going to do this question also. Let us see. First let us see this, this structure. Here we have a structure. So what is the numbering? According to rule number 3, if there is a multiple bond, the carbon bearing the multiple bond should be included in the selected chain and the least possible number should be given to it. So numbering goes from right to left, not left to right, because there is a double bond here. 1 to this. So the root word is but, 4 carbon atoms, and ene between 1 and 2. The double bond is between 1 and 2. The least number is 1. So but 1 ene. When number 1 comes, we usually ignore, so it is butene. Okay. Now check this structure. Here we have, there is no substituent and all, there is no secondary suffix, only root word and primary suffix are there in this structure. Here we have but2ene. How? 1, 2, 3, 4. You may number from the other side also 2, 3, 4. It comes to be the same. The double bond comes between carbon 2 and 3. So it is 2ene. Root word is but. So but2ene. Okay. Yeah, in some places you may see it as 2-butene also. Some people write this, even though technically this is correct. Okay. Now, here is another structure. Now, number 1, 2, 3. Now, you may doubt 1. Why don't we start 1 here? According to rule, the carbon with the multiple bond should be given the least number. So, 1 is here. 1, 2, 3, not this one. Okay. So, 1, 2, 3 may come here. But you cannot ignore this side. Okay. It doesn't make any difference. It's the same. So it is, the root word is prop, and carbon 2 there is a methyl group. So 2-methyl prop ene, 1 ene, between 1 and 2 there is a double bond. Prop 1 ene or 2-methyl propene. Okay. Now the next structure, we have 5 carbon atoms. The double bond is here, so the number starts from this side. Pent, root word is pent, 1 ene or pentene. 1 pentene or simply it is pentene. 1 can be ignored. The next structure, this is pent2ene or 2-pentene. Why? Because the numbering starts from the right side to give least number here between 2 and 3. If you go from here, it will become 3 and 4. So least number is 2. So 2ene. Pent2ene. Okay, you have to give the number where the double bond is there. The least number between 2 carbon atoms, the lowest number is taken. Okay. Then here you have the longest chain is this. Okay, and there is a methyl group at carbon number 3. So it is 3-methyl, not 2-methyl, 3-methyl but 1-ene or 3-methyl butene. Okay, so this is this is wrong. The structure itself is wrong. You check the structure. This methyl has to be here. It is not here. Okay, so I'll make it again. CH3, CH2, C double bond CH2, and here is the methyl. Why? Because this carbon has 2 and 1 3 and 1 4 bonds. It cannot be here. It will make 5 bonds then. 1 2 3 and 2 5. Okay, so this is the correct structure. So the name as given is correct. So it is 1 2 3 4, that is 2-methyl butene. 1-ene, it is 1 is not written, ignored. Now here again this structure, you have 1 2 3. So this is 3-methyl butane. It is here, 1 carbon less. Okay, so 3-methyl butene between 1 and 2. So it is 1-ene, so 1 is not written. Now let us take this structure 1 2 3 4. So the double bond is between 2 and 3. So 2-methyl. 2-methyl? Yes, this structure is wrong. It has to be here, CH3. because this carbon has 1 hydrogen and 3 bonds, so 4. So this one, okay. So it is 2-methyl butene, 1, 2, 2-ene between 2 and 3, 2-methyl. And here again you have 2-methyl but 2-ene. This is the same structure reversed. That's it. Then let us now take alkynes. What are alkynes? Unsaturated hydrocarbons with a carbon to carbon triple bond. So here we have a structure. So it is C4H6. 1, 2, 3, 4. The least number should be given to the carbon with the multiple bond. So number goes from here. So the root word is but-1-ine. But, the triple bond is between 1 and 2. But-1-ine or butine. Okay. Then we have the next one here. Again it is but, 4 carbon atom, triple bond between 2 and 3. So but-2-ine or 2-butine. Now C5H8, here is a structure. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 carbon atoms, triple bond between 1 and 2. So it is 1-ine or simply ine. Pent-ine. 1 we don't write usually. Then pen-2-ine, because the triple bond is between carbon 2 and 3, least number is 2. Pen-2-ine or 2-pentine. Okay. So this is not a structure. This structure is just the reverse of this reciprocated. Okay. So I think that much is sufficient for you for alkynes. So branch structures and all will not come under alkynes. So you can practice these questions, and if you have any kind of query, you may write it in the comment section. Thank you.